are with us today. Diligent teachers of our alma mater, supportive barangay and SPTA officials, respected board of visitors, proud parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed morning. Today, May 31, 2024 marks a significant event in our educational life, for we have completed the first step of our educational ladder. On this very momentous occasion, we, the graduating class of the school year 2023-2024, are indeed very eager and very happy to receive the symbols of our accomplishment, the fruit of our sacrifices during our 7 years of stay under the roof of our alma mater. These years that we have stayed beneath their wings is something worthwhile to remember. Worthwhile in the sense that it has provided us the basic knowledge and wisdom that serve us our weapon to combat life's challenges, most especially in the next step of our educational endeavor. By this that we have gained, it is also fitting and proper that we pledge allegiance to her, hoping that through God's blessings and guidance, we will return to its folds, bringing the fame and glory that she deserves. To my fellow graduates, let us keep the knowledge we have gained in mind as we get ready to move on to the next phase of our study. Let's continue to be dedicated to lifelong learning and development. Let's aim for perfection in all that we do. May we continue to shine brightly as we shape our own destinies, and may our future be full of limitless possibilities. Our beloved audience, your presence at this momentous occasion makes our hearts filled with gladness. We are happy to see you come and witness our graduation day, a day to share our treasured parents, relatives, and friends, a day to cherish throughout our life. All of you today will serve as our inspiration because you signify our great concern and love to us by gracing this special occasion. Surely we say, we will never forget you. Thank you for your kind indulgence, and may you continue to guide and pray for us. On behalf of my fellow graduates, we greet you all. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I thank you.